work really badly with some bad directors. And that's what an actor is. So I think that I must share this with Balki sir because I think he was quite sure what he wanted. And somehow the chemistry between us just worked. And, there's this character has come to life. And that's the way I think I am because I think I'm an instinctive person and an instinctive actor. I don't come with any preconceived notions on the set, no form of preparation. So I like to be steered in the right direction. So my director has to take me, down that road. He has to hold my hand because I'm still a baby.
Okay, let me just correct that. Complete rubbish. She's a fabulous actor. She doesn't need a director. She's possibly the finest actor this industry has produced. And she knows it all, instinctive. She doesn't do the usual kind of preparation, but she understands the script better than anybody else. She knows every nuance that there is. All that I have to tell her is a nod. Yes, she just looks for the nod because she's already done it. The only thing I was doing right through the film is like this. So she's absolutely an amazing actress, and I mean all great actresses, all great actors always say that I'm a director's actor, which means I'm damn good. I don't need a director.
No, sir. But she did listen to you way more than I used to. Still have counter discussions. She was very. She was disciplined about listening.
No, that's because she's been brought up right. She's polite.
अच्छा तो मेरे परवरिश में गलती है.
Wonderful.
No,
I would love to know what my dad has to say about me.
You're a woman in the
You are
movie.
actually an auntie.
Auntie. So aunties are very argumentative.
हाँ कि मैं चिक चिक करता था.
Women love to argue, so that's why.
Balki, you just explained how Ki and Ka was conceptualized. Other than that, what other reference points were there? Were you also subjected to the same thing?
No, actually, Gauri accuses me of writing things that I never practice in life. So she says, why don't you at least practice 10% of what you preach? I said, if I did practice, why would I preach it? Because the fun is in doing films that you don't, which is not part of your life. I mean, the fun is, for me, is never about recreating some parts of my life or somebody else's life. It's all about just saying, wish life was like this, wish life was like that. It's never about how life is.
Karina, congratulations. You break the norms of Bollywood. You're working with a younger actor. Usually all these, you are still young. Don't take it otherwise.
Very
Comment.
good
I'm
save.
very proud
Very
of
good
my
save.
Comment.
I'm not hiding it.
Comment on this. You're breaking the norms.
No, I don't look at it as breaking any norms. I think I'm an actor. Acting is in my blood. I work with Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan. I work with Arjun. I work with everyone. I work with whoever I'm comfortable with according to, my comfort level. I mean, I'm not trying to break any norm and say that, I'm so in this and I'm working with a younger. He's an actor.
But I want to just do the key card thing on that. You'd never ask the question of Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan. Why would you ask it of her?
Hi Karina and Arjun, Shilpa from India today. This is a film that has feminism at the forefront. What do you think about Indian society in general? Do you think we're still a patriarchal society, and do you think your movie will bring about some change?
Yeah, I always say this. I think we always have this expectation that films are supposed to bring a change. Films is just a reflection of what's happening in reality. At the end of the day, there's a gross misconception that cinema is supposed to bring about a revolution and change society. We represent what is actually happening. हम दिखाने का तरीका ढूंढते हैं जो सबसे सही हो, जो सबसे simply समझ पाए हर इंसान इस देश का, और जो हमारे देश में नहीं हो. I think it's more important to have an awareness and have a conversation about it. If out of our film's trailer coming out, see, these conversations all had in office corners, in houses, in coffee shops, they're all discussed in very hush-hush tones. Why do we need to have it in a hush-hush tone? Why is it such a taboo? I've met so many women who are so good at what they do. And I've met a lot of men who are not, they don't have an issue with accepting the fact that they're not maybe as ambitious as the expectation of society is, or the onus upon them is. So why can't they be comfortable being who they are? Why should anybody look down upon their choice? In the film, there's a very important line that Balki sir had written. It's ये जिंदगी हम दोनों ने चुनी. अगर हमें परेशानी नहीं हो, तो आप कौन होते हो कि आप कह सको कि ये सही या गलत? It's about being tolerant towards all kinds of people and all kinds of choices people make. I think that's the only broader discussion to have. Is that we should just have an open-mindedness. That's all.
Karina, in your personal life, do you wear the pants in the relationship?
What do you think? I think Seth looks amazing in jeans. And so do I. So we're pretty much equal. And I'm really happy to be married and working at the same time. And I think that answers it all, you know. And he's working as well, so.
Yeah, so I think let's put it this way: this film might have an extreme take of something that potentially people might hope like a fairy tale. But even if we reach a midpoint with it, like what they have in their relationship, and we can influence people to think more in that direction, I think our job is very, very well done. And I would say it's just about having that thought being encouraged that everything is possible. You don't have to have these boundaries for male or female.
मिस्टर बाल्की, इलैयाराजा साहब आपकी फिल्मों में संगीत देते ही हैं. इसमें मैंने एक पीस भी सुना हनी सिंह का जो ट्रेन के आसपास था. तो इसमें एक लाइन लिखी है पोस्टर पे, मैं देख सकता हूँ, म्यूजिक प्रोड्यूसर भूषण कुमार. तो एग्जैक्टली ये क्योंकि बगल में इलैयाराजा भी लिखा हुआ है.
Okay, that is an important thing in this film. Also, for the first time, I asked Bhushan ji to kind of produce the music. Normally, T-Series does music for their own films, produces the music for their own films, and they work with the team to kind of create music for other things and you know, finally acquire music. But this time, I think we met Bhushan ji and I asked him to produce the music for the film, in the sense that I explained the situations of the film to him, explained the stuff. I didn't say this person should compose the track or this person should write the track. I left it to him, and then we worked together to kind of get the tracks absolutely right. But it was a fantastic experience because I think music has to be produced like that. Gone are the days when you kind of say that this is the music, take it or leave it, and try and sell music to somebody. I think he's the expert as far as music goes. He knows what the audience likes, and I know what's right for my film. If those two match, there is nothing better than that. Why shouldn't it be like that? I would advise that for everybody.
Karina, there were so many reports that you broke your no kissing policy. Did you actually have a policy like that you broke with this?
आपकी लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी है ना, वो ज्यादा जरूरी है. ये पॉलिसी चाहे तेल ले लो, वो जरूरी है.
No, but did you actually have
But that, I think the media already knows that. I mean, I had read that there was this policy. I don't think.
I checked with her where she's taken out this policy from.
Where this is coming from.
जीवन बीमा जो कराया था इन्होंने किसिंग को लेके.
But you know, this kissing is made a big deal out of, because what are husbands and wives supposed to do at home?
No,
I mean, when they come home, what will they do? They will discuss.
This is what.
I was asking somebody. I mean, they say kiss, 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 and it's and you're supposed to be a cool husband and wife. What would you do? I mean, I really want to ask various people.
Sequel to Kiyanka, you have two flowers instead of a face. Going back retro.
Arjun, hi.
Hello.
You look like a master chef in the kitchen, you know, in the film. Have you really learned to cook? And
I must be a bloody good actor if I've convinced you I'm a master chef. A lot of people might not agree on the basis of the trailer that I'm a bloody good actor.
A lot of people will not agree on the basis of the food that was cooked by him.
Yeah. But I did when I did hear the film, I told Balki sir, it's just there's a lot of sequences shot within the kitchen. It's not so much about the cooking, but I wanted to be comfortable around the kitchen and not feel lost. When I'm picking up a utensil, when I'm cleaning something, when I'm washing something, when I'm cutting something, I wanted to be able to hold the knife correctly. So I'm not kind of bothered about the activity. It should be normal every day, which is what जैसे आप जब खाना बनाते होंगे घर पे, आप बात करते करते टीवी देखते देखते फोन पे बात करते करते, तो वो सब भी सीखा. जैसे आटा गूंथते गूंथते फोन पे बात करना.
Listen, I need a maid, yeah. Arjun, your way on, I'm very impressed. Look at the way with the conviction that you're.
मतलब पिक्चर नहीं चली तो यही करना पड़ेगा. ये तो कंफर्म लग रहा है कि आगे कोई पिक्चर मिलने नहीं वाली. इन्होंने बावर्ची भी बना दिया, मेड भी बना दिया. और वो वाला मेड मत बना देना जो बच्चे हो जाए उसके बाद तब बुला के टाइम पर भी बदलवा.
हेलो बाल्की जी, पिक्चर 1 अप्रैल को रिलीज हो रही है, तो ये कोई खास आपने अप्रैल फूल्स डे चुना है या ऐसे ही?
I think we three are the biggest fools to have done this film. That's why. I mean, I just believe that it's a fun film, and you know, normally people would say, "Hey, what a foolish couple! How can they live like that?" You know, the normal stereotype people would say, "How can you do this? Well, useless man. What are you sitting at home and kind of cooking out there? While his wife is working hard." So I think it's also a thing, a kind of a statement saying that, yeah, if you think it's foolish, so it is.
And we have a song which has that word in it also.
It's the whole thing. Their love is called foolish. So it's about that, and
है इस बार सोच के किया मैम. ऐसे नहीं कि डेट चुन के वास्तु के हिसाब से और न्यूमरोलॉजी के हिसाब से, थोड़ा थॉट प्रोसेस भी है इस पिक्चर में।
Alright, आखिरी दो सवाल.
Balki ji,
Yeah.
on your left hand side.
Yeah.
Karmik here from ikarmik.com.
Yeah.
Hi. Balki, I wanted to ask you this question from a very long time. You know, you make movies like Chini Kam, you've made Pa, and so on and so forth. ये जो हट के आप करना चाहते हैं हमेशा, you know, इसकी bravery आपको कहाँ से और inspiration कहाँ से मिलता है आपको?
There's nothing like hatke. I think people say just because we've seen 4 films that are similar doesn't mean one film which is not similar is hatke. I mean, there's nothing hatke about it. It's a light, simple, fun film, and I don't know what's so hatke about a man playing a home maker and a woman.
अभी इतना 1.5
playing
घंटे
a
का
very-
बिल्डअप दिया, it's different.
So I'm just saying, I would feel it that way. So I don't think it's hatke. It's just a fun film. It's a relationship based on 2 people. And I've never kind of set out to do something hatke. First of all, if you're going to labor for 1 year to do a film, it had better be something worth it. Otherwise, why would you kind of, it's the most traumatic process. Anybody who says filmmaking is fun is a bullshitter, because I think it's the most laborious process in the world. And the material or the thought had better be worth the trouble. For sometimes the thought works, sometimes it doesn't, but at least in your head it must be worth the effort to go through that 1 month. At least for all of us, it should be worth that.
This one I did cajole him a lot. He won't confess, but I literally cajoled him. So please, sir, we should. I want to cook. I wanted to learn how to cook, so I convinced him to do this.
So he was there actually. We had Arjun just dropped in one day, and I needed a person who, by no stretch of imagination, would be a homemaker, and that was him. Okay, look at him; he can never be a homemaker in his life. That's just in the tevar, we were all that.
Reputation.
So I said, okay, this is the guy who's actually the thing, and he had a couple of ideas. He said, no, do this, do this, do this one. He said, no, yeah, I know. So I was being very bored. And since you said Chini Kampa and did not say Shamitab, so it was very, kind of. So I know what it felt. So I was going through that little zone, and Komal would agree with me, and he slammed me for it. So, but so I was just in that
Komal is
zone. I
nasty,
said,
that's movie.
I swore to people that
I'm going to take a
I will
selfie with
not,
Komal
nobody
today.
will die in the film. Nobody will go out unhappy. Everybody will be happy. Even if they're crying, they should be smiling and crying. And that everybody is smiling and crying, everybody is happy. It's a happy film.
Eros
I hope
also should be happy on
Eros happy is the happiest people at the end of it, because they are our producers, and if Eros is happy, it'll be Eros and Naidu must be very happy, and they are the two people who really matter. And if they are happy.
No, okay. But Arjun, you were cutting and chopping very well, as long as those were your hands only. So I
Well, I have
want-
evidence.
Okay. So
I
you
did injure myself when I was going through the process.
you really-
मैंने इस पिक्चर के लिए खून दिया.
okay.
Stitches है permanent. And if you see the film, also the hand has this injury. Anyways, thank you for that compliment.